I pledge allegiance
to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, FM. Today is Friday, September 28th, an even day, and I'm Lisa, Danielle's mom.
And I'm John, John's dad.
I'm Andy Hefner, and
I'm Brian, John Lutz's dad.
I'm John Finnegan, Jack Finnegan's dad.
And I'm Jill Dobricki, Rachel Dobricki's mom.
I'm Michelle Florzik and the mom of Braden and McKenna Florzik.
I'm Mark Olson, father of Noah Olson. You've probably heard that next week is Homecoming Spirit Week, but you might not realize that next week is also German Week.
Here's Chris Amico with AP German student Tim Kaiser for more information.
Hey guys, I'm Chris. I'm here with Tim Kaiser, a AP German student, and he's here to talk about a special week that's coming up for German Americans. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so next week is National German American Week, and so each day we're going to have a different theme. So Monday is wear black, red, and gold colors. So, I mean, you can mix that in with your pajamas for homecoming week. Tuesday is German American Day in general, so there's going to be a lot of in-class discussions about famous German Americans and things of that nature. An important day is Wednesday. It's German Culture Day. So after school in room 2213, there's going to be a German exchange student, Gina Müllman, and she'll be talking about her hometown and her experiences going back and forth. So that's going to be pretty cool. And then on Thursday is Teach German Day. So there's going to be students with words around their neck, and so you can learn about a little bit of German words and stuff like that.
Well, that sounds like a fun week. Be sure to stay tuned to FMTV for more German Week features in the coming week. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Chris. We look forward to hearing more about that next week. Pay attention next week for some ways to show your school spirit, like in the Battle of the Classes on Thursday at 7 p.m. in the House 2 gym.
Coming to the football game on Friday? Plan ahead and attend the tailgate from 5 to 7 by the tennis courts. There'll be food, games, and great company.
The semi-formal homecoming dance will be on Saturday, October 6th at 7 p.m. in the House 1 gym. If you would like to bring a guest, please pick up a guest application in the SAO. All guest applications are due by Monday. And now over to John.
Thanks, Jill. Seems like you've done that your whole life. Attention all Science Honor Society members. There is a mandatory meeting on Wednesday, October 3rd in the auditorium during 9th period.
If you cannot attend, you must see Mr. Ganachik and Ms. Reichel before 8th period the day of the meeting. Anyone studying math from algebra to calculus who enjoys challenging problems and out-of-the-box thinking is encouraged to join Math League. There will be an optional meeting on October 2nd after school in room 2114.
the elementary schools are seeking volunteers for fall events. Mott and Fayette are both hosting fall festivals and could use some help. And Enders is hosting its annual Monster Mash.
Please come to the SAO to sign up. Well, that's all we have for today. I'm Lisa.
And I'm John.
I'm Andy Hefner, Sophie Hefner's father.
And I'm Brian Lutz, John Lutz's father.
John Finnegan.
And Jill Dobricki.
I'm Michelle, and
I'm Mark.
have a great day, FM.
Have a great day, FFM.
Have a great day, FM.
Have a great day, FM.